Welcome to the review channel, guys. Today we're going to have some fun and play with these acrylic gel pens. There's 15 different colors here, and this product was sent to us in return for our honest review. I'm going to try out on some pages I got from a coloring book. I have some objects I can color on here, some things I 3D printed. I've already started coloring on this one, and the pens work really good for this. The ink comes out at a pretty good rate, which made it really easy to color in the pieces. You can see on this mini I'd already started painting it, but then I used the pens to kind of outline the eyes and to put the little dots on them to give it a little bit of character. When I got them though, the tips were sealed, as this one is, and that keeps them from drying out. So you're going to want to make sure you get that off before you start coloring. So as you can see, these pens work really good for making really precise lines. So if you want your coloring to be nice and fine and nice and straight, these work really well. I'm able to color on things that aren't paper. So as you can see, these pens are able to just write right on these objects. It doesn't work good for coloring in like the little holes in the face and stuff, but for all these armor pieces and the detail on the edging, like right around the edge here, it worked really well for that. Coloring in his belt, it worked really well for. Pretty cool. Well, I think he turned out pretty good for the 5 minutes it took me to paint this guy. So the lines are really crisp and the coverage is nice and even, and you can draw on anything. So you can put like a cat on your coffee cup or just do some detailing on your minis, whatever you need to do. These things are amazing.